So guys, I'm already done washing my pants. So I'm just going down to the river, and then we will go up until the church. But the uphill is not over yet, because when you go to church there are still uphill there. Uphill, then flat, then downhill, and it is our home already. So guys, I want to take this opportunity, moment to say thank you. Thank you for those of you who are watching this video and who watch all those parts that, or watch all my videos. I thank you for your time, for your help, and please like and subscribe, share them, and comment down below. One thing I should say is that I hope you have learned something on my video, not just on what I said or what I'm doing. I hope you've observed also what is lacking on me, what is lacking on how I on my camera, on my, but that's beyond the point, because I'm only using my cell phone. I don't have a camera. The way I take pictures, take videos, please observe them, and the way I talk, the way I explain, the way I express, and the way actually I'm an introvert, because I'm very introvert. I'm very shy. That's why up until now, nothing. There's nothing. Didn't have any on my whole life. On my turning 25 years this coming August 21, 2025, and still no one. I promise you, no one. I've never been with any girl. I've never been have a girlfriend. I've never touched any girl, something like that, because I'm a shy person. We are poor, we don't have money, and I'm shy, I'm introvert to talk to them, and I feel uncomfortable with crowded people. And no. Let's just uh, go to other topic. So guys, uh, thank you for your support, and thank you for your time. I know that once again, what I said on, as I said on my other videos, thank you for watching my videos, but please make sure to watch them during your uh, rest days, when you have nothing to do, you don't have work, rest days, something like that, or you are not working. Same words, but that's the time where you need to watch my video, because I don't recommend you watching my videos while working or while doing something, because I think it's better for you to work first, to do, do your business first, because I know those are far more better, usable for your own life, because by watching my video you are only wasting your time. And I hope you are learning also. And now we are here in the church, Saint Gabriel Church, Saint Gabriel's Church, Anglican. So I thank you for your time, because I know you have wasted your time while watching my videos, but I hope you have learned, as I said, you have learned something new about me, new about life. You have learned something on my videos. You have observed not just on what I said, what I video, but you have also observed what's lacking on me, what's my personality, what I need to change, what I need to improve, like the way I talk, something like that, and apply it on yourself. Of course, you can also comment down below what you observe, what you've learned, something new, something like that. But you have to apply it also on yourself. It's better to apply it on yourself. Uh, one mistake is enough. When you learn some mistakes from me, then don't do it, something like that. So guys, we are now near to the home. I hope again and again you have learned something new. So there, that's our house down there. That's our house. You can see it, right? This is the kitchen. This is the old house. And this is our house. Ouch! Sheesh! So guys, thank you for watching, and I will eat, and what's the I'll just eat and change myself. Maybe I will feed first the pigs before I take a bath, because uh, the pigs are smelly, but see already okay if I have if it will not rain, then I have no problem. I'll just go and feed them. But if it will rain, I need to go down and clean their eating area. That's why it is. And for me, I prefer that I always feed our pigs early, way too early before it rains, because here sometimes it will rain. We call it today, and it will end up until midnight. That's why it's better to it's better first to I said to myself, it's better to feed first the pigs before it will rain, even though it is very early. But I don't know if that's the best advice, but that's what I do. And of course, that's up with you, because here the season is like that. That's why I'm adjusting also. If it will not rain early, then I will not feed our pigs early. So I'm also basing on the weather. So guys, thank you. It's already 9 minutes, turning 10. So I hope you've learned something new, and may God guide us to the right people, and may God guide us to those who are in needs also. May God bless us. May He enlighten our heart, our mind and body, our soul, and thus our spirit. And may He forgive us into our sins. And I thank Him for uh, forgiving us into our sins, into our mistakes, and whoever we are, what religion you are, Christians or non-Christians, Buddhism, Islam, Muslim. Uh, I think it is, we may have a different religion, different called God, but we worship same only one creator or only one God. So please please stop the discriminations about Christians, Muslims, something like that, because in some countries they are discriminated because they are Christians, and in some also they are discriminated because they are Muslims, something like that. So I hope uh, by watching this, those who are watching this who are Christians or non-Christians, peace be with us all together, and may our God bless us and forgive us, and may He give us more opportunities and get us to the right people. And that's all, because it's already 11, and maybe I don't know if I can upload this uh, in a matter of hour. I think I can upload this in a matter of days or weeks, because I think this is part 5 already, or part 4. This is the last video. So thank you guys, and God bless. See you in the next another vlog.